The Port Melbourne Line opened in 1854 as an easier way for gold-seeking immigrants to get to Melbourne from the ports. The line was a 4.5 kilometre stretch of track going from Flinders Street to Port Melbourne with no stops. It was closed in 1987 due to lack of passengers and replaced by a light rail tram route which we will be exploring today. Opened 39 years after the line, Montague station was built mainly because of the city's shipping sheds being moved next to the station site, now where South Bank Tram Depot is. Lack of passengers in the 60s led to the station closures on Sundays, but this station is known for the old 1914 bridge on the east side of the station. Northport Station opened in 1859 and served the surrounding area, as well as the Port Melbourne Football Club's VFA, now VFL games, which go back to 1896. The nature surrounding every station is a really cool aspect of this line. Thank you very much, Northport Station. Now on to Graham Street. Graham Street Station first opened in 1888, had its name simplified to just Graham in 1909, and in 1914 a branch line to Prince's Pier opened, coming off the Port Melbourne line at Graham, which we'll look at in another video. This photo was taken just before the closure of the station. If you ever want to travel on this line, make sure to go on the weekends when it's nice and peaceful. The only station on this line opened in 1854 other than Flinders Street. Port Melbourne was the main terminus for this line, and its main purpose was to transport gold-seeking immigrants from the docks to the city. The light rail trams still run along the old station building, which is still there because it's heritage listed and now serves as a cafe and a medical centre. Before we head back up the line, there was another train station after Port Melbourne, formerly Railway Pier. Station Pier opened in 1854 with the Port Melbourne line. The pier is now home to nearly all Melbourne's cruise ships, but was once home to a passenger station that was used twice an hour up to 1933. From 1933 to 1939, a specific blue Tate train was used when large ships entered the pier. In 1950, all services were discontinued. Now let's head to the start of the line to look at Sandridge Bridge. On the right you can see where I was filming. Opened in 1888 to replace the rundown timber trestle bridge, Sandridge Bridge served the Port Melbourne and St Kilda lines for 99 years. It is now home to 10 sculptures and a glass wall offering information about Australian Indigenous culture and the countries of immigrants to Australia, from Afghanistan to Zimbabwe. Thank you very much for watching this video. I've been really enjoying making videos at the moment, so hopefully you see me again very soon. Please like and subscribe if you did enjoy, and let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video. Anyway, that's it for me, so yeah, bye.